Hello, welcome to Edubbey dynamic page. Today, let us look at Decentralized Autonomous Liquidity Pools, DALPS revolutionizing liquidity provision in DeFi. 1. Introduction. Innovative DeFi solutions, Decentralized Autonomous Liquidity Pools, DALPS, represent a novel approach to liquidity provision in decentralized finance, DeFi, ecosystems, leveraging automated market-making algorithms and decentralized governance mechanisms to optimize liquidity management and facilitate efficient trading. 2. Core principles of DALPS. Decentralization. DALPS operate on decentralized blockchain networks, removing the need for centralized intermediaries and enabling trustless and permissionless access to liquidity pools. Autonomy. DALPS are governed by smart contracts and autonomous protocols, which execute predefined rules and functions without human intervention, ensuring transparency, fairness, and efficiency in liquidity management. 3. Functionality and operation. Liquidity provision. DALPS allow users to contribute liquidity to pools by depositing pairs of assets, such as cryptocurrencies or tokens, in exchange for pool tokens representing their share of the liquidity pool. Automated market making. DALPS utilize automated market making algorithms, such as constant product, e.g., Uniswap, or constant sum, e.g., balancer, to determine asset prices and execute trades based on supply and demand dynamics within the pool. Fees and incentives. DALPS generate revenue through trading fees charged on transactions within the pool, which are distributed among liquidity providers as incentives for their participation and contribution to the liquidity pool. 4. Benefits of DALPS. Improved liquidity. DALPS enhance liquidity provision in DeFi ecosystems by offering continuous, decentralized, and on-chain liquidity pools, enabling seamless trading and efficient price discovery for a wide range of assets. Reduced counterparty risk. DALPS eliminate counterparty risk associated with centralized exchanges and liquidity providers, as transactions are executed directly on the blockchain without reliance on intermediaries. Decentralized governance. DALPS empower liquidity providers and token holders to participate in governance decisions, such as fee structures, asset allocations, and protocol upgrades, through decentralized governance mechanisms, such as DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. 5. Challenges and considerations. Impermanent loss. Liquidity providers in DALPS may experience impermanent loss, where the value of their assets relative to a buy-and-hold strategy fluctuates due to price movements and trading activity within the pool. Smart contract risks. Smart contracts governing DALPS are susceptible to vulnerabilities, bugs, or exploits, which could result in financial losses or disruptions to liquidity provision and trading activities. Regulatory uncertainty. Regulatory scrutiny and legal challenges surrounding decentralized finance, including liquidity pools and automated market-making protocols, may pose risks and uncertainties for DALPS in certain jurisdictions. 6. Future outlook. Innovation and evolution. The emergence of DALPS represents a significant innovation in decentralized finance, with ongoing experimentation, research, and development aimed at enhancing scalability, efficiency, and sustainability in liquidity provision. Integration and adoption. DALPS are expected to play a vital role in the continued growth and adoption of decentralized finance, attracting liquidity providers, traders, and developers to participate in a vibrant ecosystem of decentralized liquidity pools and automated market-making protocols. 7. Conclusion. Transformative impact. Decentralized autonomous liquidity pools, DALPS, are revolutionizing liquidity provision in decentralized finance, offering decentralized, autonomous, and efficient solutions for liquidity management and trading. As DALPS continue to evolve and mature, they will play a central role in shaping the future of decentralized finance and expanding access to innovative financial services on a global scale.